Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Joby Styles. You already know what it is. Hit that Joby, ha, hit that Joby, hit that Joby, 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 hit that Joby, hit that Joby, hit that Joby, Joby, Joby. Alright, let me stop. Today we're going to be doing a quick, easy video. This is going to be a 10-minute get ready with me video. We're using just a couple of simple little products and we're just getting that job done. This is going to be for those days where you want to just hit that snooze button and sleep in for a good 10, 15, 20 more minutes. You feel me? But then you're cutting into your FaceTime, okay? Just get it done. Real quick and easy, and I'm going to show you how. But first, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Now we'll move on. Alright, so I already prepped my skin. I went ahead and cleansed it really nicely, and then I used one of my favorite moisturizers, which is the Fresh Youth Preserve. I love it. It just gets your skin nice and hydrated, plumps it up a little bit, anti-aging, all that good stuff. Now, I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to use my regular primer that I normally use, my Tatcha Silk Canvas. I like it because of the smoothing properties that it has for, like, texture. I have texture, so I need something that's going to be smoothing. You feel me? Alright, so we just take a little bit of that and blend her all over the face. Alright, cool. So now that your primer's on, I'm just going to touch up with a little bit of my Kush Lip Balm because I felt the hydration was needed. It's okay. We all have dry lips sometimes. I'm going to be using the Becca, what is this? The Skin Love Foundation. The color is Maple. Now, I haven't worn this in a while, so I'm not sure of the color. I think it should be the right color, but we're just going to go ahead and put this on like normal. So we're just going to apply this with my Real Techniques Beauty Sponge. And I'm just going to use my Pat McGrath mirror because I love Miss Pat, honey. Mama Pat be doing a damn thing. Alright, so apply this like normal. All over. Alright, so once you have the foundation on, I'm moving on to the concealer. You know this is my Milk Flex Concealer in the color Caramel. Just to give me a nice little highlight. You know, you gotta move sometimes, so I kind of can feel where I want to put it. And this is more of a lightweight concealer, so coverage wise it'll get you there, but it's still going to be lighter weight, so it's not going to give you a super heavy, super full look. So we're just going to go ahead and blend her. For setting powder, I'm using one of my faves. Y'all already know that Fit Me. I haven't used this in a while because I've got my Milk setting powder, but when I'm being super quick, I just go ahead and go for the Fit Me. Just because there's a ton of it that just boom, 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 boom. Real quick like that. You know, Dippin' Dots. Just go ahead and go for it. Apply her under the eyes. I do the sides of the nose as well because I get oily. Chin. And we're on the forehead. Alright, so now while this is going on, I'm going to go ahead and do my brows. We're going to use our Milk Brow Pencil. This is their gel brow pencil. Super duper easy product. And we're actually going to use this for eyeliner as well to save a little bit of time. So we're going to go ahead, take this part off, brush our brows through. Boom, boom. Just in the direction that they grow in. Nothing crazy. Now we're going to go ahead and fill her in. I'm not doing any super precise Instagram brow. I'm just literally filling in what I have already. And then just brush it through once the product is laid down. Yep. Quick and easy, just like that. I'm going to take a little bit more concealer and clean it up just a slight bit, just because I made one of them super duper thick. So I'm just going to take that concealer and go right against there. Boom. Simple as that. Now remember, your brows are always supposed to be sisters. Sometimes they'll even be cousins, but they're never twins because you'll spend at least 40 minutes in your mirror trying to do your brows and nobody has time for that. Today I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place The Warrior 2 palette just for one of the shades. Super duper simple look. I'm going to take a nice fluffy blending brush. This is my Sephora collection brush and a number 19. It's the tapered crease. And I'm literally just going to dip into Yodit and Karufu. Just go ahead and go into the both of them And this is gonna be like my crease tone. I didn't prime my lid. Oh my gosh. First we're gonna prime. We're gonna use a little bit of the Urban Decay Caffeine. Now, I don't know if this is still sold in stores. If not, then I definitely recommend using just their regular potion primer, or even Smashbox, their 24-hour lid primer and the silver packaging. Or I don't really use this brand much, but the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, I feel like they all pretty much do the same. And they're all work out really, really nicely. Even though they are different textures, I feel like Shadow Insurance and the Potion Primer are the most similar in texture. Whereas the Smashbox is a little bit thicker. That's going to give you a little bit more longevity, but you know, this is just to get it done. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and use our Juvia's Place Warrior Palette number 2, and we're gonna just go ahead and use a little bit of Yodit mixed with Karufu, and that's gonna be like our crease contouring shade for the eye. Alright, so go ahead and place that on. And I'm using the Sephora number 19 tapered crease brush, and I'm literally applying this right in the crease. Yep, both sides. This look is going to be really, really simple. Alright, so once you have that shade in the crease, we're going to go ahead and move on, honey. Just move on. We're going to use Island Bling from Fenty. Super duper quick and easy application. We're going to use the brown side, which is called Summer Fling. We're just going to take a little bit of that, and we're going to apply it right to the lid. You don't need a lot, because she blends out really, really well. But you don't want to take too long, because once she dries, she's pretty much where you put it. So we're just going to go ahead, take our finger and blend that out. Not all the way up to the crease, just keeping it on the lid. But I mean, you're blending it with your finger, so if you're not super precise, it's fine. You see that? Super cute, right? I know. Rihanna knew what she was doing when she made these. So once you have that on, I go ahead and use the other side. And you can do this a couple of different ways. You can apply it right on top of what you did and blend it out, or you can put it on your inner corner. I am going to wipe off the excess and then apply it on my inner corner, just because I don't want too much there. And so once you have it there, just use your finger and just press it a couple times, and it blends it out. Alright, so now that the eyeshadow is pretty much done, I'm going to go ahead and go back to that brow pencil, and we're going to use this as a nice little bit of liner. I like to apply it on the outer corners, just to keep it nice and simple. And just to shape the eye. You see that? Love it. Okay, so now that we're pretty much done with the eyes, except for mascara, you know, I always do that last. We're gonna go ahead and move on to bronzing. Boom bang, you know I love to use my Sephora Collection Micro Smooth. I use the shade number 60 in Foncé Deep. Yes, so I'm just gonna use a big old fluffy brush and apply this basically all over. I really wanna tone down that setting powder, but also, you know, just give me a little bit of color. So I'm gonna use one of my favorite lip liners. We're doing the Kat Von D Crucifix lip liner. Don't want to go too crazy with it. Literally, that's all I'm doing. Alright, so now I'm going to use my Milk lip color. And I don't know, they're called lipsticks. Yeah, the Milk lip color in the color Wavy. Just because it's a nice brown color. You guys have seen me use this plenty of times, but it's perfect for a nice natural look. Alright, so now that I have that lip on, I kind of want to highlight just a little bit. You think I should? I think I should. So, we're going to go ahead and use our little bit of Jacquiana La Peach. Y'all know how I feel about my La Peach. I freaking love it. I'm going to use a little bit of a highlighting brush real quick. Just going to really, you know, get some product in there, because we're being fast. Right through here, and right through here. Now, I did a very, very little bit when I first swiped, because I didn't want all the product to be stuck on this side. Boom, boom, and our main little highlight points. So, I'm going to go ahead and set now before we do mascara. Today, to set, I'm going to use the MAC Setting Spray, and this is their Fix Plus Gold Light. Alright, so to finish this look off, we're going to use a little bit of our Kush mascara on our lashes, just to give a little boom bang pow. So let's do that. Alright, so once your mascara on, you're good to go. And this was our quick little easy 10-minute face. So please try it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it took you longer to do. I feel like this is going to be really, really quick and easy. Thank you all for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up or please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Share my videos as well. Please go ahead and share them. People will love when you share my videos. They'll be like, oh my gosh, thank you for sharing that Jovi Styles video. I learned so much. I know, right? But yes, please go ahead and share, subscribe, like, tell everybody, your mama, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, your uncle, your nephew, your niece, baby mama, your best friend, whoever. Jovi Styles is where it's at. Don't forget it. And until next time,